Now the mechanism of hydrolysis of amides. First we are going to be talk about the acid hydrolysis and then we are going to be go for the basic hydrolysis. First, in case of acidic hydrolysis, first step is the acidic hydrolysis means first step we want to be add the H positive. That is acid means H positive. So here we have oxygen containing lone pair and nitrogen is also containing the lone pair of electrons. So which is going to be donate the lone pair of electrons to the H positive means here oxygen is going to donate the lone pair of electrons to the H positive. Why it's so? Because by donating the electrons to the H positive, it's going to gain the electrophilicity. That is, electrophilicity of the carbon is going to be increased here by the donation of the electrons to the H positive. So now we got the electrophilic carbon. So in next step, what we going to be occur means water is a nucleophile and this nucleophile is going to be attack on the electrophilic carbon. That is, water is going to be attack on the electrophilic carbon and this bond is going to be shifted to the oxygen. Why so? Because carbon cannot have a more than 5 bonds. So what we going to be get means this one. Now after donating of the lone pair of electrons, oxygen has the positive charge. So electronegative element cannot have the positive charge. In next step, that is H positive is going to be removed. And what we going to be generated means gem diols are going to be generated. So in next step, here we can say that gem diols are never going to be stable. So elimination may be possible. We can think like that. But it is not like this because nitrogen contains the lone pair of electrons here. So this can be participate in the resonance and it can make the double bond here. So this elimination is not going to be possible in case of the gem terminals in this case. So what we are going to be do means we are going to be turn this NH2 group into good leaving group. So this lone pair of electrons is going to be transferred to the H positive. So now what we going to be get means NH3 positive is going to be generated. Now NH3 positive is a good leaving group as compared to the NH2. So this bond is going to be shift here and this NH3 is going to be shifted. Ammonia and H positive going to be make what we going to generated. NH4 positive is going to be generated. And we obtained the carboxylic acid. What we needed? Carboxylic acid is needed. So we obtain. So by the acidic hydrolysis we can synthesize the acids, carboxylic acid. In first step, acidic hydrolysis means first step we are to add the H positive. So oxygen donates the lone pair of electrons and we are going to be generate this intermediate. And after that water molecule attacks on the carbonyl carbon and we are going to be get this one. Oxygen does not going to have the positive charge. H positive is going to be removed and after that gem diols are going to be obtained and after that to make the NH2 group as a good leaving group we add the proton to it. Now it is a good leaving group. So this bond is going to be shifted and carboxylic acid is going to be generated. By this method we can to be synthesis the acidic hydrolysis. Next we are going to be talk about the basic hydrolysis. Basic hydrolysis means in first step what we have to add means base. Like we can take NaOH, KOH like this. So OH is a nucleophile. It is going to be attack on the carbonyl carbon. So carbon delta positive, oxygen delta negative. So it is going to be attack on the electrophilic carbon. So if it is attacks, what we are going to be generated means O negative OH NH2. So like this way we can do the preparations. See, now O minus, now we are going to be take the next step, water molecule we are going to be take. So O minus is going to take H positive. Water can be written as H positive and OH minus. So water is going to be take the, this O minus is going to be take the H positive here. So what we obtain? Gem diols. Gem diols are obtained here. So same as it is in the previous case, we are going to be turn the NH2 group into good leaving group. So here we are going to be take the proton from the water molecule. In the previous case, we have taken the proton from the acid because their acid is present. But here this is the basic hydrolysis. It does not contain the acid here. So we going to take the proton from the water molecule. So this is going to be converted into NH3 positive. Now it is a good leaving group. NH3 positive is a good leaving group. So OH minus base we present here. This is going to be take the proton, and this shift bonds is going to be shift here, and this is going to be leave. So what we is going to be obtained means carboxylic acid is obtained, ammonia and water is going to be released. In next step, there may be possibility that because OH minus is present in this, because it is a basic hydrolysis. So OH minus can take the H positive or the carboxylic acid. We can develop the carboxylic acid. So this like this way we are going to be synthesis the basic hydrolysis. Fine. This is the synthesis of the basic hydrolysis of acids by using the